Hello guys, welcome to Uncomplicated Life channel. I woke up like maybe 10 minutes ago, but all night I was like conscious what is going on around, because this road is a trap completely. When I arrived here, there was the dark street, no lights whatsoever. So I said like that would be perfect place to sleep, right? You see, so I slept here, but you don't know what was happening all night. This is like highway. Cars was going here all the time, like terrible. But anyway, guys, today we are hiking. We are going to do the hike Los Gigantes. We have some few nice things over there, and that's all. But first we need to have a coffee and a breakfast, and see you there.
Hey, I'm Mona, road trip addict, nature lover, hiking freak. Welcome to Uncomplicated Life.
I was hungry and I forgot to show you about these eggs and mushroom and turmeric tea. Unluckily they don't have my milk, so I need to go to other place for a coffee. Yum. Los Gigantes. And when you have the boat, guys, you can have beautiful view on Los Gigantes and the town. Okay, let's start the whole adventure. The owner of the tea shop said that is not very easy. We need to be careful. We will see. Very cloudy. It's going to stay like that all day today. Okay. Still looking nice. Mamma mia. Like in horror movie. You feel everything abandoned. Nobody around. Me, myself and I. Start raining. So it started to drizzling a little bit. Not raining, but drizzling, which is fine. I accept that. Important that it will stay like that till the end, because I will have to hike in the rain. I'm not happy about that. Ooh. Banana field. Nice. Flies attack me. I love that one. I love the landscape. The colors, combination of colors. I see. This is the cross, so we have no road here. It's our path. Yeah, exactly. We are on a good way, guys. No worries, we're gonna be fine. So Montana de Guama, we need to go up there. Amazing. Okay, this is different level. What the hell? I cannot even walk. I have so much mold on it. On my shoes. Shit. Wow, this view! Clouds! Amazing view. Oh my god, I'm so red, guys. It's not that I'm tired, but it's so hot. The humid is extreme here. The humid is here extreme. For the moment I thought that we are on the wrong path. I mean, no wrong path. It was hard to find the right path, but we found it. We found it and we continue our path. Amazing. Amazing. Oh god, this is amazing. Actually, the clouds are giving you the extra points to the landscape. Oh my god, it looks so nice. I don't know if the phone can, the camera can catch it, but my eye enjoy this. My eyes enjoy. Wow. Boop. 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 Okay, I don't know why it's so white things on this cactus. Maybe you guys know. If you know, just drop the comment, please. Okay, so I think that this one is Cruz de los Misioneros. So we have, guys, a little bit landscape, because thankfully clouds are going away a little bit. So as you can see, we have mountains and we have walking path. So I think that we're gonna end up being then there, down there. That's all. And here we have grass. This is all what I want to tell you at the moment. Let's go. You can see, as I can see, the village through the clouds. That village was Tamaimo. Oh my god, my hair. That village was Tamaimo. Oh god. War. At the moment, the most annoying thing is that rocks are quite slippery. I mean, not for me, because I have very good shoes. But if you have no good shoes, unluckily, that would be very hard for you to hike. They're so cool. It really, 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 really look like face, this one. Face looking up. This is what I can see with ugly teeth. It looks really, really, really clear. I mean, clear that you can actually see it. Right? Tamaimo. Again, this is Tamaimo, guys. Very nice, colorful. I told you already that we probably gonna go this road. And there's no clouds here anymore. So, okay. Nice. Okay, this is the face from up close. Still walking, still walking, still walking. Sun is so strong that in that point I prefer clouds. This part of a road is fun. It's very fun. Ay. Okay. Ow. Okay. Ow. Where is the path? Okay, this part of the hike isn't easy at all because I cannot even see the hike here. It's really hard to see the path. So I'm on good direction, but the problem is that I cannot find a good path, so I'm just freestyling at the moment. Like the cloud disappeared so fast from here. It was full of clouds. You couldn't see a little thing here. And after 3 minutes of course, clear. Wow. Oh my God, so beautiful. Wow. Oh wow. I'm lost. I'm trying to find the path to continue hiking, to continue to the loop, but I think that I need to come back because that means that I will have to go here and somewhere there is the path. And this is what my map shows, but I don't trust my map in this point because I cannot see the path there. Unluckily, I cannot see the path there, so I think that I need to go around other way, shorter way. I'm sad. I need a hug. Okay, guys. So we are at the same. One of the same points that we do small loop. We did small loop, but we have to go back the same way. Unluckily the same way because there is no other choice, and it's already nearly 4 o'clock. This is nice. So this here we have a cross that we haven't seen before because of the clouds. I have double view. I have view with the clouds and I have view without the clouds. I remember a lot of clouds here. There were a lot of clouds. I've seen like barely this part. Barely this part. So the hike is long, okay? Isn't very difficult, but it's long and your fitness level should be okay, should be good. I mean, it depends of course which route you're gonna take, but I did almost 20 kilometers, I mean nearly 20 kilometers, so consider that. We have amazing sunset, which makes me very happy. It's beautiful and the sun is reflecting the ocean. And in this beautiful accent, I want to say thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your all support all over the way, not only in this episode, but other episodes as well. Okay, I talk too much. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share love. Guys, see you in the next episode. See you tomorrow. I cannot wait for tomorrow, and I don't know what is tomorrow, so I cannot tell you what is tomorrow, but see you tomorrow in the next episode, not tomorrow. Bye.